Right, this is video 3053, and this is how to cut it because of my memory is running out. Because all you have to do is line up that hole, and you're gonna insert it like that. Line it up with the lock. Like that, perfect. And then just insert it. And tighten it up with the screws. And when you do this, make sure you have the door open. So just put a towel between the door and the door frame to prevent the door from closing and leaving you trapped inside the restroom. So just as a disclaimer, when you install these, just make sure to not close the door. When you're installing it, to test it, you can close it just to see if it works. And I'm having problems with tightening this up. So what you're gonna do is tighten. I'm having problems with this. Oh, you have to line up the holes too. So I'll insert one screw. And tighten it up. Just tighten it up and it should be fine. Alright, you're just gonna tighten up these screws here with the door. Oh my gosh. But the door is still open. The door is still open and you're gonna tighten them up all the way until the doorknob is completely secure to the door. And I'm gonna do the other one off camera. And there it is. Now onto the deadbolt. Now it's time to install the deadbolt. And when you install the deadbolt, you want to make sure that this is facing up. There's an up position here, so that you don't want this like this. Because last time I put that in, and I couldn't screw it into the doorknob. The rest of the deadbolt. So make sure you insert it the right way. So this is right there, up. Next, you're gonna insert the I'll cut it and I'll do a separate video of the deadbolt.